Okay Google, garage, close.
Got it. Closing the garage door.
Hello friends, welcome back to Receive Malio's next video. So this time we are going to make our garage smart. So this is the one called Wi-Fi Smart Garage Control. So make your garage a smart garage, so you can control everything in your mobile. So you can basically see, you can switch on, switch off the garage, open and close the garage. You will get alert when a garage is opened or closed. You can see the history of when garage is open and closed. You can configure this with Google Hello. You can configure with Alexa, Siri. So today I'm going to show you how to configure this one, how to install this and configure it. Okay, so this package, it comes with all the things what is required for installing this one. So this is basically the unit. You can actually order each based on your country. So basically you will have this pin for AU, Australia, Europe, some other countries, I forgot the other ones. So basically you can order based on your country, and then all these other things, clips and everything, whatever is required to install, everything comes in this box. So yeah. Okay, now let's configure this. Okay, so I just plugged in this, and then you can see this is flashes. Like every second this blue light is flashing. So this is actually in the setup mode now. Now what you need to know, you need to first install the apps. So basically this supports two apps, either Tuya Smart or Smart Life. So I have been trying with Tuya Smart, and that's the best one I felt. Sorry, I didn't try Smart Life, so I'm not sure about that one, but at least Tuya Smart is the best one, I felt it. So we are going to install this now in an Android device. I just scan this one. Tuya Smart. And the other thing you need to consider is that this basically in your internet there may be two bands. One is 2.4 GHz and the other one is 5. So basically this device will support only 2.4. So before you start configuring it, you need to make sure that your mobile is connected to a 2.4 GHz network. Okay, so once you install this, just go for sign up and select your country and type in your email address. Okay, so once you type in your email, you will get a verification code in your in your email, and type in that one.
You'd have to type it in.
68.62. Okay, so after this you need to set a password for your device. So the first step is you just need to make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected to 2.4 GHz. That one. Okay, now you see actually this was connected to 5 GHz, so we need to switch to 2.4 GHz network. Now we are connecting to 2.4 GHz network. Okay, so it's connected. Now next step is to configure this device or add this device to this particular account. So as I mentioned, so first you need to make sure that this blue LED is flashing, and now you go here, add device. So it's saying that you have to make sure that the network is connected to 2.4 gigahertz. Make sure that your Wi-Fi password is correct. So just swipe all those things or just close this one. Now you just go all the way here. Yeah, go for electrician here on this right. And then if you come all the way down, there should be one called garage. Okay, so see this garage open control, door opener. Just click that one. Hello, access to device location while using the app. Now type in your password, Wi-Fi password. Click OK. Reset the device, that's fine. Click next.
Reset button for 5 seconds.
Yeah, that's already in that mode, so it should be confirm indicator is rapidly flashing. Click next. Now this would say adding device. This may take a while. Now you see the device is added. You can see below the status, scan devices registered on cloud, initializing the device. So now you see it's initializing the device. Now you see this added successfully. Okay, now you say just done. Now you can see okay, so now you see the device is configured basically. So these things, this setting is done before we connect to, before we install this to the garage. So now if you go to your account, you can see the garage door opener, and then you can see the status. Basically this status is wrong now, don't worry about it. Once we configure, everything will be fine. So we'll just make sure that all things are working. So what we're going to do now, we'll just test it to the wall, and the other one will go to the door. So when this comes close together, the device understands that the garage is closed. So you see that now it is closed. Okay, when this gap increases, basically it means that the garage is getting opened. So you can see the status in the device here showing as opened. So now everything works. Now we'll go and install this to the garage. Okay, so we already set up everything. Now we will configure OK Google or Hello Google for this. So for that, first go to Smart, Automation, plus here, launch to run this device, garage opener, switch on, save, next. So now you can see one task is created here, garage door opener, switch on. Now I will save this. So you can see one task here created. Again we'll go for off, same steps again, switch. This time we'll select instead of on, off. So save, next. So you see here, garage door opener, switch off, save it. So you see now garage door opener, switch off and on. So if you want to, so basically now what you need to say OK Google and then say garage door opener, switch off. So we don't need to, sorry. What I'm going to do, we will actually shorten this. We'll just say garage door or garage open, garage close. Okay, so we'll just modify this. So as I said, to reduce this garage door opener switch off, what we'll do, we'll just tap here. Sorry. To edit that one, click on this one here, edit here. Actually, basically we just need to change this one. So tap to run automation and click these three dots here and change this name here. So we just say, so this is switch off. So this is the name of the device now, garage door opener. So we just shorten that one. Okay, just rename this one here, name to garage close. So we'll go back. So first save it and we'll edit this task as well. Let's go to the name and then we'll make it garage. Save. Okay, now this tasks are created in TOS Smart app. Now this we need to link this to the Google Assistant. So click on Google Assistant, link with Google Assistant. Okay, we need to download that. So we'll install Google Assistant first. Open it. We just installed Google Assist. Now click on this profile and then go to devices, add a device, link a device. So it will automatically show everything. So you just search for Tuya, agree and link. Okay, so the device is added now. Now let's try OK Google.
Okay Google.
Hi, how can I help?
Garage open.
Can I have your PIN?
Okay, so once you add the device to Google Assist, the next thing is you have to actually set a PIN in the TOS Smart. So that's important. So we were actually struggling to get the garage opened by Google, saying OK Google, just because we didn't set the password in garage door. So tap here and tap here the bell icon and set password, and then set whatever password you want to, like a 4-digit number. So once that is done, just say OK Google. We'll just try it.
Okay Google. Garage close.
Got it. Closing the garage door.